Hello roller skaters. Today we are at Englewood Beach in Englewood, Florida. All right, so I'm doing this video about backward figure eights with a 1 foot change in the center.
Ooh.
Fancy. So this is fun. Actually, this is something I used to practice all the time at the rink. And now that we don't have a rink so close to us anymore, I practice wherever I can on the flat. Basketball court, tennis court, you know, parking lot, you name it. So this is a really great skill for backward skating. If you are not sure about backward skating or you haven't yet learned how to do cross pulls, which is where you're like crossing under in a circle, steering yourself backwards, please check out the video that I did about that. I will put that video, a link to that video in the description below, okay? But if you already are really good at backward skating, the next part to learn is the 1 foot turn. So if you already know that, you can skip ahead, but if you don't, first you want to maybe learn how to 1 foot turn in a straight line. So I'm going to try to demo that, all right?
We'll see it.
So I'm going to skate that direction on my left foot. Knees are soft. Right foot's lifted up behind me. I'm on my left outer edge, and I'm going to turn and switch to my left inner edge. Does that make sense? So I'm switching from the outer wheels to the inner wheels. It's hard to do from a standstill. You don't want to go super fast, but just a little roll, make it a little easier. I'm going to try that again. Knees are bent, back foot lifted on my left outer edge, switching to my left inner edge. Okay, my back foot, or my non-skating foot, stays lifted, and it kind of acts as a little balancer behind me, kind of like a little rudder. All right, so let's try that again. On the left outer edge, look where you want to go, left inner edge. Now I'm going to try it to the right. So you'll probably have one that you like better, but it's really good to practice both just to try to be more balanced. On the right foot, knees are soft. On my right outer edge, outer wheels, switching to my right inner edge or inner wheels. Try that again. On the right outer edge, switching to the right inner edge. Just like you have to turn your head, your shoulders, your hips, and lean your weight. This one feels a little more awkward to me than the left, so I have to kind of practice it a little bit more, right? So practice that till you feel really smooth and comfortable, and then you can add that into your backward skating figure eights. All right, here I go. First I gotta turn around. So I'm doing those cross pulls on this part of the figure eight. Now I'm looking toward my imaginary center, turning onto my right foot outer edge, right foot inner edge. Now on this part of the figure eight, I'm imagining the line through the center here, turning onto my left outer edge, turning onto left inner edge. I'm going pretty slow, getting the feel of it, cross pulls with the right foot under, looking where I want to go over my back shoulder toward the imaginary center, outer right edge, inner right edge. Cross pulls with the left foot under, again looking behind me where I want to go toward that imaginary center, turn onto the left outer edge, left inner edge. Now I'm going to try to go a little faster, build a little more speed. Imagining that center. It's not perfect, but basically somewhere toward the center. Doing those cross pulls, looking where you want to go, leaning into it, looking over your back shoulder, left outer edge, left inner edge. Trying to imagine the curve of the figure eight, imagine the center, turning onto the right outer edge, right inner edge. All right.
Smooth.
It's fun. It kind of creates like a gyro effect, or you know, where you're on a constant spiral or something, changing direction. And I think it's really kind of a cool thing to learn because it just gives you more agility, more ways to turn and steer. And you can practice it anywhere that's pretty flat and smooth. So hopefully that's useful for y'all. Please let us know in the comments if you have requests or certain things you want to see or learn. And if we can, we'll certainly do our best.
We love the requests.
We love the requests. We love the comments. So please like and comment and subscribe. Thanks. Ooh. It's the